Have you ever yawned just because someone else did? Let's find out why yawning is so contagious. Scientists believe it's all about empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, your brain mirrors their action as a way to connect. The part of your brain responsible for empathy, the precuneus, gets activated when you see a yawn. It's your brain saying, "I feel you." Fun fact, even some animals, like dogs and chimpanzees, catch yawns from humans. How cool is that? Did this video make you yawn? Be honest, let me know in the comments.